Hey there! It's time to draw a super cool chain chomp together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we'll begin with a big mouth. Then draw the head. Draw a big circle shape, just like a ball. Now, let's add the eye. Draw a nice round eye right in the middle of the head. Keep going. Now, it's time to draw the teeth. Make them sharp and pointy, like little triangles. Be careful, they're quite fierce. Now, let's draw the chain. Make curvy lines that connect to the head. Keep going until it looks just right. Let's connect the links with rounded shape links. Oh, don't forget to draw the chain anchor to the ground. It keeps our chain chomp from running away. Now, let's add some extra lines to show just how fast our chain chomp is. Oh, I almost forgot. We still need to color the eye. It's coloring time. You'll only need dark blue and dark gray colors for this. You can use color pencils, pastels, color pens, or even watercolors, whatever you like. Let's get started. Start by coloring the face with blue. Give it a nice, vibrant shade. Beautiful! Once you finish coloring the face, let's color the chain with dark gray. Fill it in carefully, making it look strong and mighty. Wait for a moment, just a little longer. I can't wait to see your drawings too. Share your experience with me in the comments. I'd love to hear about your chain chomp creations. Awesome work! We now have our very own chain chomp. Doesn't it look fantastic? Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this fun drawing adventure. Stay tuned for more creative fun coming your way. Bye for now!